What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we're going to be removing the front and the rear door panels on this 2022 Tacoma. Any Toyota product is pretty simple. There's just a few things that you need to do, and then it's just clips. So let me show you what we need to do on this one. Okay, so first things first, there'll be this little clip right here. If you can see that. There's a little, you can see the center of it right here. I'm just going to use this little pick tool, and you just push in the middle of it. You can hear it pop like that. Just push it in, and then usually you can pull it out like this. And then to put it back in, all you need to do is make sure that that middle part that you just pushed in is pushed out now, and then just put it in, push that, and push that in. That's all you got to do to put that back in. Next thing would be this little triangle piece. I usually grab it from up here and just kind of pop it out like this. And now most of the time these little white clips will stay in this panel. You're going to want to take those out. Be sure you don't push them in, because then they're just gone forever. There's two little kind of notches. I usually just get my fingernails in those, pinch it together. You just kind of pinch it together as I sent it flying. I don't know where that is. I'll find that in a minute. But you can kind of pinch it together and just pull it out like that. Okay, so I got all of them out. I'm just going to show you how to put this on real quick. You want to kind of spread it apart a little bit, and then these three little tabs, you'll just kind of slide it on, and then you'll hear it just pop in. It's pretty simple to do. I'm going to put all three back of these on. Okay, once you're done with those two things, you'll have two little covers that you'll need to remove. I'm still going to use this little pick tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description for a little toolkit that comes with these pick tools. It also comes with little plastic trim tools like this. You'll definitely want these if when you're removing door panels. It's just super handy to have. But first things first, we'll be in here. There's usually just a little kind of like a carpeted pad down there. You just want to get the pick tool behind it and pry it up like this. It's literally just a little carpeted thing there. I have noticed a lot of Tacomas are just missing these that I have worked on before, but so you'll want to remove that. And then next thing is there'll be a little cover behind the door handle. Same thing, just take your pick tool behind it. Sometimes you'll want to pull the handle out like that to get it out, and you just pull it out like that. That will then reveal two Phillips heads. There's one right here and also one down in here, so you'll want to remove those. Okay, now that you've got both your screws removed, all that's left is just clips. Toyota has a pretty good lip kind of right here where you can grab it with your hand. You can just grab it and pull it like that. Or you can use a plastic pry tool, put it behind the door and pop it. Now, looks like I got one more clip over here to pop, just like that. And when you feel it, you got it pretty loose. You'll just want to pull up on it to get this top seal off of this piece right here. And then, so I'm a window tinner, and I don't take these door panels completely off as far as like disconnecting your door handle and your window switches and all that. So I have these S hooks. I'll leave this in the link in the description below, but I'll just hook it on the door panel like this, and then just hook it onto the metal part of the door, or like that, so it's just hanging there. Okay, I'm not going to show the back door completely as far as popping the clips off, because it's pretty much the same as the front. The only thing that is different is this piece. There'll be this long strip right here on the side of the door. It's exactly like that, the little triangle piece. I just want to grab it up here and just pull it out like that. There'll be those same white clips right there. I'll get those out in a minute. I already showed you pretty much how to do that. Then you'll have that same little clip right here. You know, you want to push in the middle, and then just pull that guy out. Oop, dropped it. Just remember when you're wanting to put this back in, just push that through like that. And you'll just push that in, push the center in, you're good to go. And then from there on, it's pretty much exactly like the front door. You have your one screw right here behind this door. Same thing, little carpeted thing. And you'll have your other Phillips behind there. And then you're ready to pop exactly like the front. And that's how you remove the door panels on a 2022 Tacoma. Pretty simple to do, and definitely get you the right tools. And also, I forgot to mention, be sure you keep in mind which screws you took out of which places, because they are two different screws, because they'll need to go back in the right spot. But pretty simple to do, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
GC